is up, guys? We are back with another video here. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about GoPro mounts on helmets, different helmets, how they work, everything like that. So without further ado, we're going to get into it here. I will explain to you guys my setup, everything I do, and everything like that. So catch you guys in the video. Peace out, guys. Alrighty, guys, before we get into today's video, I just wanted to give a shout out. So if you guys are not subscribed and you guys enjoy the video, anything like that, found it helpful, make sure to do so. And if you guys head over to my Instagram page, we just uploaded the account. Everything's new. We're at about, I think, 15 followers, something like that. I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers. It will be 3 giveaways. I'm probably going to give away Amazon gift cards, Apple gift cards, and I think for the big prize, I think what I might do for first place is I'm going to give away either a mount for a motorcycle or something motorcycle related. So you guys drop a comment and let me know what you guys would like to see as a prize winning. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to get into today's video. Make sure you guys do head over there to the Instagram and check that out. So we'll get in with the video here on the helmets. Alrighty, guys, back with another video. I know it's been a while. I took a break for a bit. Weather has just been kind of iffy. Just want to say happy Thanksgiving if you guys are from the States. I don't know if some of you guys aren't from here in the United States and don't celebrate Thanksgiving. I'm not too sure, but to my American followers, happy Thanksgiving just yesterday. So to get into it, we're going to talk about this helmet first of all. So this is a sports helmet right here, as you can see. It's an HJC. So I have a simple mount right here on the side piece, and I will put everything that I got for the helmet in the link, in the bio, sorry. All over the place today. It's a nice piece. It comes with a bunch of adapters, everything like that. So that is the first thing for the mount. Now, that's with that helmet. I'll get into all the wiring and the GoPro and everything then after. So the difference between this helmet and this helmet is obviously you can see the visor is a lot further down on this one, and it has a way bigger mouthpiece. So the helmet sits a lot more angled on your head rather than this one does. So a normal GoPro mount actually won't work on this helmet simply because you can get one, but I had the issue where I had to mount it the whole way back here because it was on a flat surface then, and you have to have it on a flat surface. And it ended up falling off after time because the extension on it was so long just to get it out to the front here. So I would recommend, I'm going to put it into the description. I found it on Amazon. It's coming in the mail, and I'll do a more in-depth video and show you guys when it's on, but it is a mouthpiece that goes over, or it is a mount that goes over here, and then it has, what does it have? It has like clips on the back here that will clip inside the helmet if you put this up, and then it'll go around everything. So different helmets do need different things, so you guys will have to check that out when you guys are looking for it. But to get into it, so video is going to be for beginner riders, because when I started riding, I didn't really see many people making videos about things like this and how to get into it, what to use, what not to use. So I mean, there was videos, but they weren't very helpful. Like, I had issues with sound quality and everything like that when I first got it. So what I ended up getting was, I got here, I'll pull it out here for you guys so you can see it. But I got this. This is a Purple Panda microphone adapter. And so basically, when you get it, it'll come with the microphone, a bunch of different adapters for it. And then the most key important thing about the headset is that it does not use a normal aux in. As you can see, oh, excuse me, these two are very much different. This one has 3 gray things around it, and this one only has 2. So what needs to happen is the adapter that you have going from the GoPro needs to go to this other adapter, and then you can plug it into your microphone and everything will work for that. So simply the way I do it on the head, on the helmet, is I will take this cheek pad right here and I'll open it up, as you can see there, and I like to stick it back in the corner. I always keep them bundled up still. I like to tuck it back there. and then obviously clip them shut, drop the microphone adapter harness the whole way down through so it hangs out the bottom like that. And then it should look something like this on the inside then once your cheek pad's all closed up. Your microphone, I sit mine right in the cheek pad so that when you put the helmet on, it's nice and snug. And then what I do with this extra wiring down here is I'll take it and I'll tuck it back in under the helmet and let a little bit exposed. It's a little difficult to show. I'll probably have to record on my phone for a clip of a video, which I'll do a cut to now. Alright guys, I hope that transition onto my phone wasn't so bad for you guys to see quality wise, everything like that, kind of see the helmet as is. I am going to get a view here of the helmet kind of in this angle. So what I ended up doing with my GoPro for the case is I ended up drilling out and cutting holes around the side here so that I could put my microphone adapter cable through it. As you can see right there, that's how it would sit, and then it would obviously go up here. So that's that for that helmet for the HJC. And then now for this helmet, like I said, I don't have the mount yet, but I really enjoy this helmet a lot more for motovlogging simply because it has the chin piece here. It has a lot more padding, squishy padding, everything like that. And if you guys are looking for a helmet, a good, decent helmet, I would recommend the Ruroc 4.0 right now. It's on sale up until Monday. I think Monday it's on sale. Most of them are on sale. You can get those. They're very nice. They have a bunch of cool features on them. Nice padding, everything like that. Great helmet. But I actually wanted to get one to do a review on, but I had other things that popped up, and I'm not going to be able to get to. So no biggie. But as for the setup on GoPro, so what I do for editing, everything like that, is I actually use iMovie for my videos, and I have a dongle cord here that I use on my iPhone that I will upload and edit everything on my iPhone and then upload it then to YouTube. I know some people like using editing software, things like that, but I personally really enjoy using iMovie, sorry. So that's what I use personally, and that's where I edit all my stuff on. And then where is it at? I know I laid it here. For the SSD cards that I use, the micro SD cards, I like to use the 64 gigabyte SanDisk because it's 64 gigabytes. It gives you about, if you're gonna continuously record, it's gonna give you about, I think it's 4 hours on mine at least for recording. And so some of the things I want to jump into and say as to how, because you guys might be thinking it's crazy that $200 for a GoPro setup, like that's insane. That's really cheap. So what I ended up doing is I went on Facebook Marketplace and I got the GoPro Hero 4 Black for, what did I pay? I paid $150 for it. And it came with all these different attachments, everything like that. And then for the mount, I got it on Amazon. Like I said, I will be putting that link in the description for where I got it and the other one for the different helmet. But I think I paid like 12, 15 bucks for the mounts. And then for the SD cards and the adapter I'm not going to count because I figure a lot of you guys might either do it on computer or not, judging by separate like feelings towards it. Like guys might not want to do it on iMovie, you might do it on a laptop, things like that. So I won't include this, but this was about $35, I think, if I believe. And then the SD cards were, I got them on sale. I think I paid $24 for a pack of 2, I think is what I got them for. But yeah, so I mean, totaling up, that's like, I'll put it right here. I'm not going to try and sit here and do that math. But I don't know exactly if it's short or if it's close, but it's around roughly $200 to get started on motovlogging. So if you guys are interested in doing it, and you see the setup that I have in the videos that I put out and the quality of the videos, I would definitely recommend going and doing it. And I would definitely recommend going and getting a GoPro. Simply because I ended up actually getting a camera on Amazon that quoted it was a 4K camera, which it probably was, but the motion and me like just turning my head all the time, it made it very slow. So I think like the pixels per second and everything weren't as good as GoPro. So I ended up shipping it back, and I ended up getting this GoPro. So I would definitely recommend, if you guys are interested in it, go for it, because it also doubles as like a safety thing for you while you're on your motorcycle, and safety is one of the biggest key points in riding. It's very important, and to have that second look in case something happens, you get into a crash, somebody hits you, you have that for lawsuits or things like that. So I definitely would recommend getting a GoPro for your motorcycle if you have one. And if you guys are interested in motovlogging, like I said, don't be scared. I kind of jumped into it, watched maybe 1 or 2 videos on certain people's videos on what they recommended, and then kind of just took it and combined multiple different videos and made my own setup. So I definitely highly recommend it to do. So yeah, a few things that I'm still learning on with the GoPro is the settings. I would definitely play around with the settings before you start fully recording. Get clips, get things like that. Figure out what settings are good for like darker modes, cloudy days, sunny days, things like that, and adjust it to what you think might be good for it. Simply because I didn't do that, and I was on the fly in a few days, and a few recordings of my videos, they weren't the best because I didn't have the brightness up the whole way or had it too low, things like that. So I would definitely recommend figuring that out and learning it for the GoPro. But the reason I say that you should definitely go for the Hero 4, which is the one that I got, it was the last GoPro that offered standalone microphone adapters. All the newer ones, you need to get a GoPro specific adapter for your audio connections, which they're like $60 or something like that. So it just adds extra cost, which eventually, once the channel here starts growing and things like that, and I start getting maybe a little bit of income from it, I'll probably use that money towards putting towards new videos and getting a better camera, things like that. So I think with that, we're gonna cut the video here, guys. I hope you guys found this a good informative video. Just in general, if you guys are interested, like I said, once again, I highly recommend. And if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you guys do not miss out on one of my videos.